how to delete multiple Facebook accounts. So if you want to delete multiple Facebook accounts, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook application and make sure to log into your account. Now if you want to delete multiple Facebook accounts that are linked on your Facebook, then what you can do is you can go for the upper right corner which has that three bar icon and go for settings and privacy, and then again settings, and now you can go for account center which is on the first option, and here under connected experiences you will have sharing across profiles. Tap on that, and here you will have your accounts like your extra accounts, your Facebook accounts or your Instagram accounts that you have added to this particular Facebook account. And after tapping on those accounts you will have a remove account option on the upper right side of that account. You can simply tap on remove and then you can remove your account. So that's how you remove, or that's how you delete multiple Facebook accounts that are linked to your Facebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.